Karthikeya. I am studying 8th L 2 in our Little Stalin School. This is our team.
My name is Shekhar Shatarshi.
My name is G. Pardu.
My name is Famina.
Our project is 3D printed train. A 3D printed train is a creative and educational toy model that demonstrates how modern technology like 3D printer can be used to design and build functional objects in this project. Most parts of the train such as the locomotive, body, wheels and track sections are made by using a 3D printer. These parts are designed on a computer using system like Tinkercad, Fusion 360
Or SolidWorks and then printing layer by layer using materials like PLA, ABS or PETS plastic. After printing, the pieces are carefully assembled to form the depends on the design. It can be manually operates in motorized version. The motor diverts the wheels through a simple gear mechanism, allow the train to move smoothly on its tracks.
The train parts are made by 3D printer and the electronic devices in the project are switch, Arduino, motor, ultrasonic sensor and 12-volt battery. The track can also be 3D printer or more from ready-made made. The train's railway design can create straight, covered or even crossing tracks to make a custom railway layout.
The 3D printed train project is not only fun but also educational as it helps learners understand mechanical designing, electronics and engineering concepts. It encourages in creativity, problem solving and invention, making a popular project for the students. Let us see the operation of the project. This is on and off button. When we on the button, the train starts moving. When any obstacles come, it stops moving. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.